Apple Watch Ultra 2025 is here. Let's unbox it. This year, the paperwork is much different. Let us get into the action. Let's go into the Apple Watch app, watches, and add watch, then set up for myself. And here appears the pairing code. Then we need to follow the on-screen instructions. Let's continue to pair this Apple Watch. Agree. Apple app, enter password and sign in. This may take a few minutes. Create a password. There we can create the password. Here we can turn on accessibility zoom, and the personal health details will be filled from the backup. In case of emergency, Apple Watch helps us in different ways. We have emergency SOS, fall detection, cry detection, siren, backtrack if we get lost, and emergency SOS via satellite. Let's continue. We will add the cellular plans later on in the settings. And this year, in addition to the double tap, we have the wrist flick gesture. Has a little demo for these two. Let's continue. Here we will enable the depth, which automatically kicks in when it gets submerged. And then signing into the Apple account. This may take a while. It's syncing the data. And Apple Pay can be set up in later, and it is syncing. Apple Watch is syncing with the iPhone. And finally, this signs us into the Apple Watch. And let's start, and we can take the tour, or we will skip it as of now. So this is the hand washing notifications. Let's allow them. The bezels are thinner than the previous generation Apple Watch Ultra. And thanks to the LTPO3 display, this year's Apple Watch Ultra shows the seconds hand in always on mode. When the watch is facing down, it ticks like this. The seconds hand ticks like this. And when we raise it to wake it up, it ticks like this. What do you think of the Apple Watch, this year's Apple Watch Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel to know more. See you next. Bye bye.